Welcome to Legal Matters with the Crosby Law Firm and WIFR. I'm Mike Garrigan with 23 News, and our guest is attorney Michael Crosby with the Crosby Law Firm. Legal Matters is an informational and news call-in show devoted to legal topics of interest to State Line viewers. We have attorneys standing by right now to take your call at the number on your screen. They will provide you with free information regarding your issue, so call now throughout the next hour. If you get a busy signal, try again. Attorneys will be standing by until 7:30 tonight. Our opening statement tonight concerns the Crosby Law Firm Initiative, a 21st century informational program designed to protect you, the viewer. We'll also discuss personal injury matters. We're calling it Personal Injury 101, a guide to injury cases in Illinois and why it makes sense to choose the Crosby Law Firm to handle your injury case. So please stay tuned tonight for this important information. Before we get started tonight, I'd like to remind our viewers of the practice areas the Crosby Law Firm concentrates in. The Crosby Law Firm has a Center for Divorce and Family Law, an Auto Accident and Injury Department, a Bankruptcy Institute, an Office for DUI, Traffic, and Criminal Defense, an Advanced Care Plan and Probate Center, and a Division for Real Estate and Business Matters. So please feel free to call tonight and discuss any of these practice areas. Free call with attorneys standing by. Now, Michael, several months ago, we briefly discussed the Crosby Law Firm Initiative. I recall you indicated that you were hoping to roll out this initiative in 2014. So I know viewers are anxious to hear about this initiative. What can you tell us?
Thanks, Mike, for asking. The Crosby Law Firm was established here in town over 34 years ago. Our primary mission, our primary focus is to help our clients, the viewers. That's our mission, that's our objective. The Crosby Law Firm Initiative is designed and dedicated to exactly that, to focus on clients, help them problem solve, protect their rights, protect their interests. It's a program that we're rolling out this year that's informational based, designed to protect clients, designed to help them with their legal matter.
And now this sounds like a very valuable program, the Crosby Law Firm Initiative. Can you provide viewers with some kind of the benefits, specific ones concerning this initiative?
Sure. The initiative is service oriented, and we think it's opportune that we're rolling it out in February. Let's take a minute and remember February. It's Valentine's Day, a time to honor our loved ones, our spouses, our children. It's also the month that we celebrate our presidents who were elected to serve us. So the Crosby Law Firm Initiative is all about serving the viewers, serving our clients. There are a number of things that we're doing to assist clients. First, this show, Legal Matters, is part of the Crosby Law Firm Initiative. It's our way of reaching out to the community to encourage them to call in. We'll provide free information to them about whatever issue is on their mind. In addition to the Legal Matters show, the Crosby Law Firm Initiative is all about free consultations for the client, the prospective client, to come in and visit with us. We know that legal representation can be expensive from an energy standpoint, it can be expensive from a financial standpoint, an emotional standpoint, so forth. So we encourage the folks to come in and visit with us for a free consultation at no charge, giving us a chance to diagnose their case. That's all part of the Crosby Law Firm Initiative. In addition to that, we're providing flat fees for our clients. We're not charging by the hour. Most law firms in our community and throughout the country, for that matter, charge by the hour. Very difficult for clients to budget and to understand those expenses. A flat fee, you know where you stand. Very recently in our community, there was a newspaper article in the Rockford Register-Star, I'm holding up a photocopy of it, that indicates the high costs of legal expenses that law firms charge when they charge by the hour. And with this particular entity that was involved with this case, their financial officer talked about how difficult it was to budget for legal expenses when the law firm was charging by the hour. We've taken that mystery away. We charge a flat fee. We're not charging by the hour.
Some real savings there.
Absolutely. Next, clients that visit with us, they don't have insurance to pay for legal expenses like you do for health insurance and some for dentists. So for those that have the resources, we ask them to pay the flat fee. For those that are unable to pay the flat fee, we provide a payment plan, so long as they're gainfully employed and have the ability to make the payments. Our accounting department will sit with the clients and craft a payment plan that they can live with and that we can live with. That's part of the Crosby Law Firm initiative, consumer-friendly, client-friendly. In addition, we believe in consumer protection and client protection. We've implemented in our office a program that we call Speak Up, and I've brought an example of it here. This is what every client gets in our office when they receive a packet from us for hiring our law firm. And in the packet is the literature on Speak Up, which is a program that we've initiated as part of the Crosby Law Firm initiative, encouraging clients to communicate with us constantly about their issues, their concerns, and we walk them through the legal process. It's our way of being consumer-friendly, client-friendly. The Speak Up program is also part of the Crosby Law Firm initiative. For further information on the initiative, I encourage folks to go to our website. Part of the Crosby Law Firm initiative is social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, as well as our website. We're going to also initiate electronic newsletters to all of our clients. So on topics of interest and new topics and new interests, we're going to be sending out newsletters to all of our clients as well.
Sounds very well thought out, well planned, and I'm sure our viewers are going to be excited about the initiative. Now, where can they get more information regarding consumer-friendly program?
Sure. As I mentioned earlier, details on the Crosby Law Firm initiative are on our website. I would also encourage our viewers to call into our office immediately. We'll be happy to provide you with literature and information on the program. It's an outreach program to the community, to our clients, to our prospective clients. So you can call our office for more information about it. You can also check out our website for more information as well.
And you can call right now. Attorneys are standing by to take your free phone call, and they will be there until 7:30. We're going to take a brief break right now. When we come back, we're going to cover the basics of personal injury law. Stay with us.
At the Crosby Law Firm, solving your legal problems and making your financial life easier is what we're all about. Unlike many law firms, we have options to help you reach your goals. Representing clients in many areas of law, we offer free initial consultations, flat fees instead of hourly rates, so you'll know where you stand. And if you need extra time to pay, we offer payment plans to meet every client's budget. Call the Crosby Law Firm today at 815-397-2006 for your free consultation.
Welcome back to Legal Matters with the Crosby Law Firm. Our guest is attorney Michael Crosby, and it's time for what we call Personal Injury 101, a guide to injury cases in Illinois and choosing the Crosby Law Firm to handle that injury case. And Michael, with all the snowy and icy roads we've had, there's been a lot of auto accidents and truck accidents. I'm sure many viewers have been the victim of an accident. How can the Crosby Law Firm help?
Well, Mike, if our viewers can answer yes to any of the following 6 questions or to all of them, the Crosby Law Firm is probably in a place where we can help folks who have been victimized by an accident. The first question, do you expect to have medical bills and lost wages that total at least $2,500? 2, if you were in an automobile accident or a truck accident, is there visible property damage to your car? 3, was the accident someone else's fault, and did they receive a citation or a ticket? 4, did you seek medical treatment promptly after the accident? Number 5, have you followed your doctor's instructions and attended to your appointments in a timely fashion? And 6, and last, did your accident happen within the past 24 months?
Okay.
If our viewers can answer those questions in an affirmative way, our law firm can assist them in their personal injury claim.
And that covers a lot of people. And I know that a substantial portion of the Crosby Law Firm practice is devoted to helping our viewers who have been injured in an auto accident or some other kind of accident. Can you share with our viewers some examples of the tasks that the Crosby Law Firm attorneys will provide for those people who are victims of accidents?
Sure, Mike. Representing clients concerning personal injury claims is a serious matter with serious consequences. It's not like buying a loaf of bread at the corner grocery store. It can be complicated and time-consuming. If we are able to resolve a case fairly and simply, we're all for it. But in many cases, professional representation regarding injury claims takes time and professionalism. Examples of the tasks that we typically perform on behalf of our clients include, of course, the initial interview with the client, gathering documentary evidence, including the police accident report, medical records, and medical bills and invoices, analyzing the client's own insurance policy, as well as the defendant's insurance policy, interviewing known witnesses connected with the accident, collecting other evidence, such as photographs of the accident site and photographs of the damaged car, photographs of our client if they're in the hospital, talking to the client's physicians or obtaining written reports from the doctors, deciding with the clients whether an attempt will be made to negotiate a settlement with the defendant's insurance company or whether we should file suit. If suit is filed, we'll prepare the client, witnesses, and healthcare providers for depositions. We'll prepare written questions and answers and take the deposition of the defendant and other witnesses to the accident. We'll prepare for trial and/or settlement before the trial. If trial goes forward, we'll file briefs and motions with the court to eliminate surprises at the trial. Take the case to trial with a jury or a judge. Those are some of the examples of the tasks that we perform in representing our clients who've been victims in an accident.
Now, can you share with our viewers examples of some of the injury cases the attorneys with Crosby Law Firm have handled over the last 34 years?
Sure. A significant part of our practice is devoted to auto and truck accidents, motorcycle accidents, as well as medical malpractice, hospital malpractice, nursing home malpractice, and workers' compensation and Social Security disability claims. And we also represent clients in connection with slip and fall injuries as well. Attorneys with our office have handled thousands of cases, which have resulted in verdicts as high as $5 million and as low as $10,000. Anyone that has suffered an injury from an accident should give us a call. We'll be happy to assist them in resolving their case. That's what we do, whether it's a large case or a small case.
Okay, now some politicians talk about frivolous lawsuits, and most insurance companies seem to discourage consumers from contacting an attorney if there is a problem or an accident like that. There seems to be a lot of politics and myths concerning injury cases. Can you kind of sort that out?
Absolutely incredible, Mike. I'm all for pro-business, pro-employment, but the insurance companies are rather abusive in this entire area. They're more in the business of collecting premiums and paying dividends than they are in honoring legitimate good faith claims. To illustrate the point about the so-called myths regarding frivolous lawsuits, the Rand Institute recently published a study. I'd like to take a minute and read part of it just to prove the point. The Rand Institute for Civil Justice, one of the most respected legal research groups in America, found that only 10% of injured people seek compensation and just 2% file lawsuits. The Rand Institute also discovered that since 1991, tort cases, and that's injury cases, make up a mere 6% of all lawsuits filed in our country. So this notion that lawsuits are all over the place and that lawyers are sue happy is nonsense. It just isn't true. We're all about protecting folks that have been injured and making sure they're compensated for their loss and for their injury. That's the American system.
Okay, very eye-opening there, and thanks for all the helpful information that you've provided so far. We have about 15 to 30 seconds. Do you have any concluding thoughts that you think would be helpful to viewers?
Sure, Mike. It's important for folks to recognize that we provide free consultations when it comes to personal injury cases, as well as all the other areas that we practice in. And furthermore, with personal injury cases, there is no fee for us to collect unless we recover money for you, the viewer, you, the client. We get paid only if you get paid.
Okay, and again, if viewers have questions on these points or any other areas of law, Crosby Law Firm as attorney standing by right now to answer legal questions. Call the number on your screen. If it's a busy signal, try again. They're there until 7:30 tonight. When we come back, John Hanson from the American Law Firm will join us to give his insights on license reinstatement and starting up a company.
It's a new day in the Rock River Valley. Construction projects are underway. The housing market is recovering, and confidence is returning. As we celebrate this perseverance, the state line is prouder, stronger, and better. And so too are the individuals who have relied upon the leadership of the Crosby Law Firm to protect their rights. In honor of the American spirit, the Crosby Law Firm proudly salutes We the people of the State Line community.